The PPNC extension identifies a PowerPoint encrypted presentation file containing password-protected presentation content from Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or troubleshoot these encrypted presentation files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective PPENC file solution for the tough cases near the end. PPENC files are encrypted, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation files, protected with password-based encryption to prevent unauthorized access to presentation content. They contain the complete presentation data, including slides, animations, and media encrypted using Microsoft Office encryption. Microsoft PPENC files use Office document encryption, wrapping the standard PPTX content with AES encryption derived from a user-specified password. The encrypted container prevents access to slide content, text images, and embedded media without the correct decryption password. The native handling utility for PPENC files is Microsoft PowerPoint by Microsoft Corporation. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows can list the file, but actual slide editing must occur in compatible presentation software. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your PPENC file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft PowerPoint if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If you are still having trouble opening the PPENC file, do not worry. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific PPENC error occurs on most Windows systems. First, opening the presentation. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and navigate to File, then Open. Browse to the PPENC file and select it. PowerPoint prompts for the encryption password. Enter the correct password to decrypt and open the presentation with full access to all slides and content. Next, removing encryption. After opening the PPENC file with the correct password, navigate to File, then Info, then Protect Presentation, then Encrypt with Password. Clear the password field and click OK to remove encryption. Save the file as a standard PPTX for unprotected access. Finally, troubleshooting access. If you cannot remember the password, PowerPoint does not provide a recovery mechanism. Check for any password records or documentation. Third-party password recovery tools may attempt brute force recovery, but success depends on password complexity and available computation time. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.